Hi guys, my name is Peter and this is my first video for YouTube channel. I live in USA 3 years and I never speak English before. I'm so sorry. I speak English a little. So in this first video I want to show you my small workspace, small workshop. I love woodworking. And yeah, but first, I live in New York with my family. This is my wife and my daughter, and I don't have more family in USA. I'm from Siberia. Okay, I love woodworking. I rented this house, and this house has a one-car garage, and I just a little rebuilt. I have dust collector here, and I have many pipes. In this workshop I built beautiful wood shelf actually, but I have many cheap tools, and this cheap tools is not good for build high quality furniture. But I can make small, almost built handle for hallway. I'm not sure, but it will be shelf with hooks for your closet, for your jacket or something. I can show you maybe next time how it looks, guys. I have planner here, very good tool. I have just one expensive tool in my workshop here. This is first tool. This is saw. I'm not sure how it's called again correctly, but this is a погружная пила. In Russian they say погружная пила. Again, saw, saw, saw. Oh, no, this is and saw. Yes, and saw. I have this guy, very small, very cheap and pretty bad. Because if you want to make beautiful furniture, you can't use tools like this one, unfortunately. But I show you what I built with this help, and this guy, it's okay, I love it. It's pretty bad, but I love it, it's okay. It's okay for now. Maybe next time I can buy big joiner. It's called joiner, I think. Big joiner with big tables. Maybe twice on this one. I mean late. It will be great, but now I have this one and I love it. Okay. Drill press is not good place for drill press because too close the wall, you see, and I can't drilling long wood piece, so I'm gonna move this drill press to this place. Yes, I think it will be better. I have storage, clamp storage here. I need more clamps, and you clamps anytime. Never mind. Okay. Small sander. Small, not good sander. Not good, why? Not good because already broken here, but I use it very soft. I'm not sure why. Because this metal very soft, and I think it just broke. So, and this is a van. But it's not so expensive, and I think it's okay for this tool. I have many tools here. Now is not full, but I have many hooks, and they have all of them, all tools here. I'm so sorry for this mess, because anytime I just take it and leave it somewhere and I have mess. But it's okay, it's workspace, right? It's workshop. So I have table saw here, and I have this table. It's very good table, but it's so big for the space. I'm not sure, maybe I have to rebuild it, and maybe I'm not sure, but I like it. I so like it. I love it. Roller table. Other side, this is a roller table. I have many power tools here. Compressor, small vacuum cleaner. Oh, I have this sander also, guys. You see this one? Very good sander also. So what I can build with this in this small space. I built it different cutting boards. I built wood shelf. It's beautiful wood shelf. Walnut wood shelf. I show you. I will attach in this video and show you how it looks. I build a lamp, table lamp. Something else I think, but I don't remember. So I just want to spend my time here and spend my time for woodworking more time, but I have full-time job and this is not easy. Maybe next time I can show you my products, but what I can build here. I hope maybe in the future I can move to my next shop. It will be big shop and it will be more big tools, and I can make beautiful wood furniture. Maybe it will be so cool. But now I have this space and I so love it. So it was my first video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we'll see you next time, my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.
The best.